Fabbed up a quick bumper last night. I need to find more tubing. Cut off the front of it so it's got a little better of an approach angle too. Hacked it off at an angle. Plate the bottom of it. I want to plate the inside of my frame, plate the bottom of it, and weld that in the front. Put a support from here up to there. Maybe just gusset this right here.
I got like 5 squares. I'm gonna make a 4-inch square. Why have I not thought of this till now? I say grinder.
Not the plasma?
No, because it won't make a clean cut. I can make a clean cut with the grinder. Yeah, Nate thought his Milwaukee 4-inch square was pretty sick. Well, let's call this one the DeWalt 4-inch square.
Four and a half inch square. No, I can clear.
See, I was thinking about having it go all the way back and connect into here, but I decided otherwise, just because like these, like it's not, they're not even welded all the way in. You know what I mean? They're like all the front ends are like all riveted together.
Oh.
So I don't want to like weld it up too solid in the front end. I just want it to be solid on the frame, you know.
And still flex and whatnot.
And if like at some point I could go through and weld it all. If I went through and welded all this, and welded all this all the way down on both sides with a full boxed in frame, but this would be fine. Perfect it with practice. Stuck underneath it, and it's like
That's what's hanging you up?
That's what's hanging me up.
That's the first welding I've ever done on that Bronco myself.
This in first, but so not. I wanted to weld this in first so I could weld the seam on the back before I welded that plate in. But, you know. I swear though, the better you fabricate, the less you ever have to pick up that grinder. Cut perfectly, it needs to be cut right at the circle. That's why you never wear Romeos in the shop. I got a pair of thermals that every time I put them on, I think of that burner man on the tip of my dick. That's why I don't like sitting like this when I'm welding. It falls right here. Run something like that all the way across instead of like this. So I was planning on just doing this.
Okay, I follow.
And that way it was all just capped in. But I guess I shouldn't go too extreme because I want to do a winch bumper, and I want to inset the winch up in there, so shouldn't go too crazy because all this is going to change anyways. And the nice thing about welding is you can always add more. And you can always take it away and then add it back again if you want to.